Hello, welcome to HelloNet's Android apps tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, we will see how to create an application that will convert our website to a mobile app. That is an Android application. The website must be responsive. What I mean by responsive website is that, for example, this is my website, and if I try to shrink it to mobile device size, you see that all the components fit together. I can scroll and all the images and everything fits in a mobile device structure. So that is what we're going to build an Android application that we can use to display our responsive website in this way. So let's begin. The first thing we need to do is to go to Android Studio. And then open your Android Studio. I have mine here. So we'll create a new project and name it. We'll name this project Web Converter. The name of my package name is hellonet.com. You can use any package name of your choice. So you click on Next. We are using Android API 16 Jelly Bean. So click on Next. I will leave the default as empty activities. Click on Next, and when you will leave the main activity as this, we check these layouts so that you create a layout file for us, and we click on Finish. Alright, so this is my new project, and this is my new project. This is the design. Let me increase. Let me see if okay. I have hello world. So let's see. We don't actually need this hello world, so we'll delete it. Go in there and delete it. And if you have any padding on the relative layout, you can also delete it. Delete the paddings. We don't need the padding. We have match parent. The width and height should be match parent. And let's go here. Let's look for a widget called Web View and Web View. Yeah, and let's set the width and height as match parent. You can do it from here. This is the width. I'll set the width as match parent and the height also as match parent. Okay, just drag it to fill up the whole screen. Alright, so this is what we have, and now let's go to our main activity and start coding. The first thing that we'll need is to declare a variable for our web view. So we make it private first. We say private web view, and we give it a name called web view, and let's close it. And here let's initialize our web view. Let's call the web view ID from this XML file. Let's see what's the name. The name is web view. The ID is web view. So okay, I think in order for us not to get confused, let's say this one is, let's name it my web view. Okay, so we do that by, we say my web view. We cast this web view. Let's find the view by ID. Let's go and get the ID of this view. The name of the ID is web view. Alright, so let's call web setting class and pass in our web view. My web view dot get web view. My web view. This is for us to by default, web views don't allow JavaScript by default. To run a web application in WebView, we need to explicitly enable JavaScript by adding this following code. So let's do that. You see web setting dot set JavaScript. We set it to true. This will allow our application to load website that uses JavaScript. The next thing we're going to do, we'll call a method from the web view class that will load our website URL. So let's do that. Say web view dot load URL. Let's look for the this is the method, and we pass in our URL. In my case, I will use my website URL. So this is my website. This is the URL. You can use any website of your choice. I'll just place in the website URL here. Then we need another line of code that will allow our website. Let me type in the code. I will explain what this line of code does. Set web content. This line of code, whenever we load our website and we have 2 or more pages, we've already opened 2 or more pages, we can go back. This line of code, allows us to display our website URL on our application instead of on a browser. Then we need one more line of code that will enable our application. Whenever we display 2 or more pages, we can always go back to the previous page. So to do that, there is a method called on back press, called back method. So let's use if statement and see if we have 2 or more pages, then it can go back, otherwise it should quit. So we say if my web view can go back, there is a method called can go back. If it can go back, then let it go. Let's call a method that will allow us to go to the previous page. Otherwise, X, it should just quit. If we don't have any page that it will display, then it should quit. Oh, sorry. Lastly, we want to give our application permission to use internet. So we go to our manifest and give it permission from yes. We do that by saying US give our application. We look for the property called internet. Okay, permission to use internet, and we close the application. Okay, that's it. So now we can test our application and see what we have. I already have my emulator running. You can also use a read device, which is the functionality is better with a read device, but I will be using an emulator. Alright, so let's see what we have. Alright, my application is loaded. So with my website, let me click on. Alright, you can see that is working properly, and I can scroll up and down. Okay, on the read devices it works better than this. I can click on. Alright, so this is it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like it and leave comments and also share it. There, I can go here and just alright, so bye for now.